the fuck am I gonna make today? Now, because it is 9 o'clock at night, 10 o'clock at night, I am going to marinate this overnight, and I will cook it on the grill outside tomorrow during the day when I can see. If you missed it before, I just made some carne asada marinade in the last video, so go back to my prior video and check that out. But essentially, we're going to start this out by putting everything in a bag and letting it marinate. You can do as long as you want, minimum half an hour, but I'm going to do this overnight because it's almost 10 o'clock at night, and I'm not going to go grill right now. So we're going to marinate this and make it for lunch tomorrow, and it's going to be fantastic. I already tested the marinade. It tastes so good. We're just going to pour it all right inside. Make sure that marinade coats everything. I'm just going to let that sit in the fridge overnight. Here's my carne asada that's also been marinating since last night, or what did I just say, 16 hours-ish? Yeah, we're ready to cook this. Let's go grill. Make your life easy. Use some fucking tin foil. So I have something to put my meat in after it's done cooking. Carne asada. I made it to the grill, and it looks like the person before me actually cleaned it for once. But I don't care who you are, clean your grill. We're going to heat it up, use the bristle brush, and then I brought half an onion because we're going to use that to actually sterilize the grill. People don't do that. It's gross. I don't have a great setup out here. All right, I got it decent with that. Actually pretty good. So I know this grill pretty well at this point. This side is our hot side. This side is our less hot side. I have two different things that I'm going to be cooking. I'm going to be cooking the carne asada right here. I want that to cook quickly, so that's going to go on the hot side. It's been like 3 minutes. Oh, look at that. Told you, this is the hot side. Okay, it's been like another minute and a half. This guy's probably overdone. Okay. Put him over there. Oh, this one looks great though. Let's make some motherfucking tacos. Add your meat. Some avocado. Some pico. You don't remember how to make pico? Just made it in an earlier video. Go back and watch it. I'm adding some Valentina because I didn't make actual salsa, just the pico today. That's a fucking taco.